Hi guys, today we are going to review Converse trainers, model Chuck 70 High Hybrid Floral. A print inspired by dried and pressed wildflowers takes up the entire shiny rubber side of the Chuck 70. The heron-colored midsole stands out with a black striped design that matches the vintage rear logo. The Chuck 70 features exclusive design elements such as an organic canvas construction, wing tongue stitching for added reinforcement and additional cushioning. Made with organic canvas for an enhanced feel. Ortholite cushioning for all-day comfort. Floral screen print inspired by real, dried and pressed wildflowers. Higher, shiny rubber sidewall and wing tongue stitching. Traditional details like the 70s heel logo nod to its heritage.